Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I've decided to make a more affordable and easy to make version of the Starbucks turkey and cheese croissant. You can buy plain fresh made croissants from the bakery or your supermarket, but since those don't have a long shelf life, and because I only wanted one croissant, I bought the individually pre-packaged one. I like to keep those around the house anyway because they do make a good snack as they are. What I love about this recipe is that it takes exactly 5 minutes to make, and you can easily store it in the fridge to reheat later on, or pack it in lunch boxes for yourself or for kids or spouse to be enjoyed later at work or school. Let's start out with spraying our pan with oil, and on medium-high heat toss in our sliced mushrooms. Sprinkle with oregano and salt, and then drop in about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix well, and cook the mushrooms in a bit more. Then add in 2 to 3 cubes of Emmental cheese, or as much as you want, you can go cheesier, and a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese as well, and mix it some more before setting it aside. Then we're going to pan cook our slices of smoked turkey. This step just helps to bring out the flavor of the turkey more and gives us a slight crisp on the outside. Cut the croissant and add in the mushroom and cheese mixture, then fold in the smoked turkey and you're done. But if you want to be extra fancy, you can also toast the inside of the croissant by putting it face down on the pan before putting anything in there. But that's pretty much it. Breakfast is served. And as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!